Okay, so this feature wall also hides the door to the common bathroom. Hi, welcome to another episode of Interior Design with Rae. So today I'm going to show you this completed 4-room resale HDB at Punggol Drive. Okay, my clients have already moved in. So today I'm going to show you once the furniture are all up and how the design look like. Okay, so without further ado, let's take a look now. Okay, so this is the main entrance. So for main entrance, my clients have already changed the main door and gate. Okay, so this is like a combi door, right? Combi meaning combination with a gate and main door. For main door, if you want to check if it's fire rated, you can see this rubber aging here. Okay, so usually a fire rated door will have this rubber aging, and of course you need the certification from Civil Defense that this door is certified as fireproof for 30 minutes. Okay, the reason is because the lift is there. So actually the law says that within 3 meters of the space from the main door to the lift, if it's less than 3 meters, then you need a fire rated door. Let's step into the apartment itself. Okay, so from all my previous video, I couldn't show you the flooring because it was always being covered by the floor protection. Okay, so what I'm going to show you today is the floor here from the main entrance. Okay, it's already this wood pattern porcelain tiles. It's quite a big piece. It's about, I think, 1.2 meter by 200 width. So I formed this floor pattern from the main entrance, okay, towards the living. But for the living is white porcelain tiles in matte finish. Okay, so the size is 1.2 by 0.6 meter. Okay, so from the main entrance, it goes like that. So all the way into the passageway. So this form a very interesting passageway, a floor pattern to segregate the dining area, the living, the multi-function room. Okay, this is just a rug. Okay, a very nice pattern rug. So how to segregate dining area? Because as you can see, this dining area is not very big. So there are a few ways. One is to have false ceiling to segregate. Right? If you can't do that, then usually it's by the floor. So on the floor, I've chosen this diamond shape pattern tile. Okay, these are black diamond shape and white. These are all ceramic tiles. So I've chosen that for the dining. So the dining table fits perfectly into this space. Okay, this table is a custom table, okay, designed by myself. And so for the flooring, it goes all the way to the kitchen and all the way to the service yard. So that will enhance the space. Instead of chopping off the flooring just at the dining, and then you have different floor tiles for the kitchen, then the space might look a bit smaller. I mean, visually it might look a bit smaller. I've explained in my previous video how I designed this dining table, so I will not go into that. But if you want to know more, you can click on this link here, okay, to watch the previous video how I designed this dining table. Okay, so as you step into the living, there's a feature wall here. Okay, it's a simple feature wall. Okay, there's no groove lines or anything like that because I just want to enhance the space. At the bottom here is a suspended TV console with black glass drawer front. Okay, so this is a drawer. This one is a space where my client can keep their devices. You can see that the light actually penetrates through the black glass. Okay, so I think it's quite interesting. At the bottom here is it's an LED strip. Above will be a storage. Okay, so this is a storage settee. Okay, and so I make this storage like a platform, so it creates a bit more interest before you even step up of the balcony. So from the balcony, okay, you just have to step up here and then down. So this balcony is not very big, okay, just nice for one armchair, outdoor armchair, and the outdoor table. Good enough for you to do some maybe morning exercises or yoga, but not big enough for family gathering. So I thought just make this living area more interesting by having this platform here. You step up, step down, okay. And also if you look at this platform, it goes through all the way to the multi-function room inside. Okay, this is a clear glass. Okay, you can see it's a clear glass here. So that creates a bit more interest into the multi-function room. As you walk along the passageway, okay, you can see that there's a sensor light here. So this is the sensor. Okay, so it will brighten up whenever someone walks past at night. Okay, daytime is not so efficient. Okay, but of course you can control by a switch here. So if I turn on the switch, it will turn on. So this is the LED strip that's hidden inside the false ceiling. Okay, so this one hides the bomb shelter door here. And then another one would be the door to the common bathroom. Okay, sorry, I'm also a bit confused sometimes, okay, because of the groove lines. So it's a flush fitted door. You can see one is closed, it just forms part of the feature wall. Okay, so at the common bathroom there's a mirror. For this common bathroom, okay, the space is really limited in the sense that the shower area is very limited space. You might have to ask your ID to let you know how much space you can have for the shower, right? Because I even created a shampoo niche inside. So most importantly is the width. Okay, that's where your arm movement is going to be. The depth, not so important, but of course if you can give slightly deeper, that'd be good. If not, then you have to keep it to a certain depth. Okay, most importantly is also not to compromise the width of the vanity cabinet. So all these have to really capture on site, okay, the dimension. Okay, so as you come into this room, okay, so basically this room is just like a guest room come storage room. Okay, this is a wardrobe, but at this moment there's a lot of storage inside. This space is supposed to be a space for the bed, but my client has put their massage chair here right now. So nothing fancy, it's just a cutout for the handle. Okay, and then there's a niche here, so just in case there's a bed, so this niche can act as a side table. Okay, let's go to the master bedroom. Okay, so at the master bedroom is a platform bed, okay, with lots of storage at the bottom. This one also is a L-shaped wardrobe, okay, with a side table niche. So there's of course there's going to be lights above the headboard. Just turn on here. Okay, there's light all the way. Very good space for a side table. So over here there's a feature wall. My client has opted to place their TV on the console itself. Of course it can be mounted also. Okay, so all the lights are here. Just turn on. Okay, so there's a light in between the gap of this feature wall and on top as well. Okay, so all these lights act as a night light. Okay, if you want to go to the bathroom at night, so you can turn on here. Of course there's a two-way switch. You have to turn on here and then you can off it over there. And also this platform, there's a light here. So this is quite important because at night, before you step down, right, this light will help you to know where the step is. So these are more for safety feature. Right, so let's go into the master bathroom. So at the master bathroom, you can see that there's a full stretch of storage mirror with two LED strip down. Okay, that's for makeup purpose. And over here there's a tabletop mount basin with storage at the bottom. Over at this side here, there's a wall here that has got shampoo niche. Very straightforward. As you know, for this kind of layout, the bathroom usually are quite standard, right? Because you can't really change much of the layout of the basin, WC and the shower. Okay, so let's step into the kitchen. So for kitchen, there's 2 rows of cabinets. Actually, this kitchen is not very wide, but you can see that the distance here, or the space between the 2 cabinets, is still quite reasonable, right? From what I measure, it still has about 1.1 meter. Okay, so I think that's a very reasonable walking space. So over here, there's this full height cabinet. Okay, this is not a built-in, but it's just a combi oven. So over here, there's this top and bottom cabinet, okay, with that cinder stone backsplash, cinder stone top. So over on the right side, there's going to be the fridge. Okay, this is a huge fridge, but I think the space is just nice. There's a small countertop where you can put your hot water flask and your air fryer. Okay, so over here is still the cinder stone backsplash and the cinder stone top. Okay, so another full height storage where the rice cooker is, so you can slot in this door. Okay, it's a pocket door. And while you're cooking, you can pull out this tray to let the steam out. Okay, and at the bottom here is actually a wine fridge. So it's a mini wine fridge that tucks below it, and because here will be the wine display cabinet. Right, these are the fluted glass, so you can't really see much of the wine bottle. I'm sure nowadays you don't really display wine bottles like the 80s or 90s. Okay, so I think it's nicer to have a fluted glass just to see a bit of the silhouette. I think that's good enough. So as you go along, okay, so this will be the cooking area. So for cooking area, there's some storage on top. Okay, these are all a lot of storage. This is a portable stove. Okay, so from my previous video, I also explained why this top has to be lower than the countertop there. Okay, and over here, just a washing machine. Some storage on top for detergent.